Sir Isaac Newton was a scientist formidable, whose research and musings were quite incredible. Treatises on calculus and his Principia delight, and for his laws of motion he was made a knight. Using right triangles with sides A, B and C, Pythagoras shows relationships for you and me. Hypotenuse squared can be lots of fun by squaring A and B and finding their sum. Archimedes of Syracuse was a man of invention, whose thoughts and deeds often flouted convention. After pondering the water displaced in his bath, he cried, "Eureka, I now know the path." Mass times the square of the speed of light, Einstein did say, has energy full of might. On relativity, which was once a mystery, he used frames of reference to find its history. Fibonacci's number sequence astounds by appearing in nature without any bounds. The ratio of consecutive terms we know leads to the golden ratio. I think, therefore I am, stated Descartes philosophically, and expounded on Cartesian axes vertically and horizontally. As the father of analytical geometry, he tended much mathematics that will be remembered. Born in 1777 of German extraction, in matters mathematical Gauss took much action. His proficiency is well known here and far, especially for the fundamental theorem of algebra. Introduced in studies of logic and in set theory, John Venn's circles never were dreary. Representing relationships in this fashion was truly his one and only passion. In the field of complex analysis, it is said, Cauchy's work was complex bred, and his residue theorem was without parity, since it required no singularity. The father of geometry, as we all know, was Euclid, with axioms in tow. Euclidean geometry is now his legacy, as explained in his Elements quite easily.